Hi my friends, today we are going over the wireless battery operated cat water fountain here. It is overall a really nice design. In just a second I'm going to show you how to assemble the whole thing, fill it up with water, and give a quick demonstration with my cats. Alright my friends, so the assembly for this is extremely easy. You only have 4 real parts here. The first part is we're going to set up the tray with the filter assembly. So this part is for when something falls into the tray and it needs to catch when it's filtering through. So you just take your filter, and when you see all these little holes, those are going to be facing outward, and all you're going to do is simply click it into place, and it'll just rest as it is right there, like so, and it'll just sit like that. Next, all you have to do is, once that is in there, let's see, like that, you simply take it and you set it on top like this, and it'll sit nice and seamless like that. And all you have to do is take your little end here, slide it through this little hole, and make sure it goes along with the guides here, and you just set it down. And that's the assembly. I'm going to show you guys what it's like with the cats and how it's looking with the water filter going. Alright, so I went ahead and filled this up with water. So to turn on the machine itself, all you have to do is hold down this top button for 3 seconds, and it will start running. And there we go. It is right now just dispensing water. And there are varying modes that you can do with this. So first off, it is flashing green, which is the antenna signal right there. And that means it is working, and it will just dispense water whenever motion is detected in front of this right there. If you have the timer mode on, all you have to do is activate that, is press this, and it'll activate via timer, and it'll dispense water every 3 minutes over the course of an hour. And then it also has a low battery mode. It'll come on, a little red light will come on right over there, and that'll say, hey, we're kind of low on battery, you need to fill this back up. But yeah, we're gonna head over and do a little video with the cats now.
Some water, Boogie. See what he thinks about this. Boogie, some water, buddy. Is it good water, buddy? So it looks like the cats like it. It holds a lot of water and has the little sensor that turns on when it senses the cat there, so it can dispense the water. I like that it doesn't have any cords necessary. It doesn't need, if you have to plug it in, then cats especially like to play with like snakes and stuff, and they might bite the cord or whatever. So I like that this is self-contained with no batteries at all. I'm sorry, with no power cord, and then it can just run on the battery, and it has an indicator when the battery's getting low, and it's cat approved, right Boogie? So